For this video, we are going to start by using a number 2 Phillips driver or screwdriver to remove the 12 screws holding the front panel onto the control box. Next, you can see the 2 wires in the neutral block. One goes to the input from the main power coming in, the other goes to the relay for the autodoser. We are going to loosen the screw and remove the second wire that goes to the autodoser, and then we are going to move it over to the red terminal block so that way it gets 220 volts of power, and we will screw the terminal block down. And after getting the wire changed, we will go ahead and put the cover back on and reinstall the screws.